Hi guys, this video is regarding May 2023 CA Inter auditing course related details. Like what is the course consisting of, what are the deliverables to you, and what is the price, and what is the views that are permitted, how far this material is covering ICI sources. So entire that information is being covered here. If at all you're looking for CA Inter auditing course related details of mine, please watch this video till the end. First of all, uh, you know, let me show you what are the modes that are available. So we are giving you in Android mode and we are giving you through Windows. So in Windows, it is Google Drive combination. It is Google Drive combination. So through Google Drive, we will give you access to auditing lectures in laptop or desktop through Windows. Android application based. Like if you find there is an app called Sresta. There is an app called Sresta for CA and CMA. You see this logo? So there is a logo like this. So Sresta for CA and CMA, there is an app. Please download that app, log into that app. Now, after you log into that app, you will find, subject wise courses. Inside that auditing, you will find. If you see in Sresta app, we are charging only 5,015 rupees. At the checkout, student will have to pay another 3% internet handling. It is coming close to 5,150. Whereas in this flyer, we are mentioning 5,500. What's the difference? This is exclusively the information which I am showing you here right now in this image is exclusively about desktop. If you want to have Google Drive lectures on desktop to be installed, getting it, then the price is 5,500, where we are giving you 1.8 view and we are giving you 6 months validity, and the course duration comes approximately 100 to 110 or 95. It ranges between 90 to 110, getting it. So that's why neutral number 100 I mentioned. And what you will get soft copy main material, soft copy colored smart notes, and MCQ videos also we will upload. Sir, this 5,500 is only for classes. Yes, it is only for classes. No material is included. What about hard copy of the material? The hard copy of the material you can place order on Sresta App Store. Okay, in Sresta, in a Play Store, or even if at all you're a iOS user, App Store. So I told, right, there is an app called Sresta for CACMA. So open that application. Inside that you can find order for books. So you can place order there. Now, whereas in application, we are only giving 1.6 view. Those who are purchasing classes on Android, Sresta application, for them, they'll only get 1.6 view. Whereas whoever is getting on desktop, 1.8. Because we are charging some 300-400 extra price, we are giving this benefit. The reason is, in desktop, we need to give you a separate serial key, for which we need to pay additional charges. So that is the reason why for desktop we are charging some 300-400 rupees extra. Now, by the way, coming to the content of the class, coming to the contents of the class. Suppose if at all you enroll for Google Drive, so the outlet, the layout, you will be getting a mail. So if you enroll for Google Drive lectures, you'll be getting a mail. By the way, for enrolling, you have to reach me directly at this number. Okay, I have a number 9700273087. 9700273087. Please reach me on Telegram or WhatsApp for enrollment. I'll guide you how to enroll. Then once you get a mail, in the mail you will have a Google Drive link. If you click that link, this is the layout. This is the link you get in the mail for desktop access. Like you see, there is an introduction video which you must watch at the beginning. Getting it? You must watch. Then main lectures. If you see here, two folders we have given. Latest edition lectures which are applicable for November 22, May 23, November 23. So nothing but May 23 I mentioned. So here we mentioned all new edition lectures, and for few chapters we have not yet recorded new lectures, like risk assessment chapter, audit sampling, analytical procedure, and strategy. For these 4 chapters, new edition lectures were not yet available, that we are going to record in December month of 2022. So once we'll record and upload these lectures also in the May folder and delete all these old videos. So until then you can watch old videos. Anyhow, you're having 6 months validity. Getting it? Now you see, what are all you are going to get? You are getting main lectures, and you know what, we are giving you complimentary revision videos, 22 hours of latest revision videos which I have done, which I have taken at Chennai in September month. So entire that recording I'm giving you complimentarily, which means You're getting main lectures from me, you are getting revision lectures from me, and even I will add MCQ videos also. Very soon I will add MCQ videos also. Simple. If you take classes with us, it's a one-stop solution. Getting it? You get the main lectures, you get the revision lectures, you get MCQ videos, you get all sorts of guidance. Getting it? So I think this video will help you to get a complete idea about what you're going to get. Further, we are also giving you soft copy main material and even the other material. Now, by the way, like if you look at the material index, the audit material I have classified into 3 parts. Getting it? 3 parts: part 1, 2 and 3. Now within these 3 parts, there are something called last priority chapters. There are some 4 chapters which I call them as last priority chapters. What are they? Audit strategy is a last priority chapter. Risk assessment and internal control is a last priority chapter. And even standards on auditing. Sir, standards on auditing, very important. Yes, man, it is important. But standards means, according to me, in this particular thing, some 6 or 7 standards only will come. Some 6 or 7 standards only will come here. Rest 20. See, you are having totally, I think 35 minus 9, 26 standards you are having. In your syllabus at CA into audit, we are having 26 auditing standards. Only 6 or 7 will be discussed here. Sir, what about remaining 20 standards? Suppose you see there is a chapter called audit report. Here entire 700 series will be covered. 570 is covered. 299 is covered. Getting it? 710. So entire 700 means 700, 701, 705, 706, 710. 5 standards, 570, 299. Approximately 7-8 standards are covered in audit report chapter itself. Now nature, objective and scope 200, 210, 220. All these 3 standards related content is covered. Even XQC content is also covered. Then we have a documentation and evidence 500, 230 and 330. Actually 330 you don't have in syllabus, but 330 related content is there in this. Fraud, it's a 240 standard. Risk assessment is nothing but 315 standard. Sampling is nothing but 530 standard. Analytical process is nothing but 520 standard. Audit strategy program, in this 300, 320, 2 standards are covered. So whatever in auditing, whatever every chapter you're reading, that's actually a standard. I don't know how many of you know this fact. So, if someone asks me, sir, what is standards weightage in CA Inter? Standards on auditing in audit subject, what's the weightage? I tell them straight away 80 marks is the weightage. Approximately 80 marks is the weightage. How come 80, sir? Everyone says 10 or 15. They interpret completely wrong. Nature, objective and scope of audit is nothing but standards related chapter. Audit report is nothing but standards related chapter. Documentation and evidence is nothing but standards related chapter. Fraud is nothing but standards. Analytical process, sampling, risk assessment, and audit strategy, audit in automated environment. All this is nothing but standards related. So people misinterpret a lot. People do not have clarity that much. Okay, fine. Now, we have something called second priority chapters like risk assessment and audit strategy, standards. Standards and auditing means those 6 or 7 only second priority. Rest all are important. And analytical procedure. These 4 chapters are second priority chapters. Or I can say last priority chapters. Last priority chapters. Once you enroll to the course, what is the order in which you need to listen? What is the order in which you need to listen? To which chapters you should give first priority, to which chapters you should give least priority, we will give in the form of instructions video. Getting it? Once you enroll, gradually we will upload certain resources and share it to you in the Google Drive and on the application and even on the YouTube. That's it. So I just want to give you some idea. Okay. So if you look at, by the way, one more thing, in rest material we are having totally 17 chapters, where in ICA material there are only 13 chapters. One is fundamentals of auditing. Fundamentals of auditing is one additional chapter that you get here. In ICA material, government audit, in ICA material, government audit, audit of different types of entities and society audit, put together one chapter. But we split it at different places. We split it and kept it different places for better understanding. And I'm telling you, many of you, whoever is watching this video, might have got recommendation from your friends, or you might have gone through my revision marathon, whatever. I don't know. Getting it? Believe me, whatever recordings that we are giving you are latest version, and this material is latest edition, which I have released in June or July 2022, which is applicable for November 22 and May 23. And I'm telling you, the best material. Best example, very recently, at the end of this video, I'll attach my recent video on paper analysis, CA inter audit. I'll attach it. You see straight questions. Getting it? Whatever the paper toughness it can be, any level of paper it can come. Getting it? Definitely, whoever followed our classes completely, thoroughly, and read our material thoroughly at least once can definitely answer with very much of ease. So why late? So these are the details, and I have given you contact details, all that. You can very much soon enroll. Getting it? And further, we generally give instructions to the students at the beginning of the class. Before you watch first recording, there is something called, there is a folder called must watch. If you see, there is a folder called must watch. You will get Google Drive, right? Must watch folder. Suppose if at all you purchased an app, REST app, you will find the first two unlocked videos in Audit. So those you need to watch at first, and then you need to proceed further with the lectures. In every chapter, we will tell you what should be the next chapter. Getting it? So these are the details about the CA Inter Auditing May 2023 course related information. That's it. So have a nice time. Carry on. Bye bye.